In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Windows 10 version 22H2. This process might seem daunting at first, but by following these simple steps, you'll have your system updated in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to start by clicking on the Start button, located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens up the Start menu, a gateway to various settings and applications on your computer. From there, find and click on the settings icon, which usually looks like a little gear. Once you're in the settings window, navigate to the update and security section. This is where all your update related settings reside, ensuring that your Windows system stays up to date with the latest features and security patches. In the update and security section, you'll want to click on Windows Update. This will display any updates that are currently available for your system. If you're not seeing anything yet, don't worry, simply click the Check for Updates button. This action triggers Windows to hunt for new updates that need to be downloaded or installed on your PC. Now, if version 22H2 is part of the available updates, an option should appear saying Download and Install. Click on it to begin the process. Windows will handle most of the work from this point, and your role is to be patient as the download and installation take place. Once the download is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. These instructions guide you through the final steps needed to incorporate the new update into your system. Alternatively, there's another way to get the update if it doesn't automatically appear for you. You can go directly to the Windows software download page. Here you'll select the Windows 10 version you're interested in. Make sure to choose version 22H2. On the page, look for an option saying Update Now under the Windows 10 2022 Update version 22H2 heading. Clicking on this will download an executable file to your computer. Once downloaded, run this file. It serves as an update assistant, guiding you step by step to download and install version 22H2. Follow any instructions it provides carefully to ensure a smooth update process. And there you have it. By following these directions, your Windows operating system should now be up to date with the version 22H2, featuring the latest enhancements and security improvements Microsoft has to offer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.